Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss Katie, and I'm here with today's Play at Home program. Play at Home is designed for ages 2 and up with their grown-ups to use a materials packet provided by the library in order to practice an early literacy or early learning skill in their homes. You can sign up for next week's Play at Home by visiting the link in the comments. This week's Play at Home there may be extra copies of, so feel free to call the library and see if they can put one aside for you. This week we're going to be talking about shapes using popsicle sticks. You'll see that there are 4 different color popsicle sticks in your kits, enough to make 4 different shapes. You want to find all the sticks that are the same colors to build your shapes. I just made a triangle with my 3 purple sticks. There's also 4 sticks for a square, 6 sticks for a rectangle, and 6 sticks for a hexagon. I definitely want to see if you can build all 4 of those shapes. Now, that's not the only thing that you can do with the popsicle sticks we provided. You can also build shapes on top of one another. What would it look like if we had a square and we put a triangle on top of that square? What would it look like if our friends built a super shape with all 4 of the shapes by each other? What kinds of stories could you tell with those shapes? Another thing that you can do with this activity is you can take your popsicle sticks and write the names of the shapes, and you can draw a little shape picture so that your child can have an easier time trying to figure out which sticks belong with what shape. This is also a fantastic way to practice letter identification. And lastly, you can use these just to free build. It doesn't matter if you dump them all out and see what kind of creation your child can make with all of the sticks. Maybe they'll discover a brand new shape. I'll be here again next week, Tuesday mornings at 10 a.m. for another Play at Home adventure. Until then, have a wonderful week, friends. Bye!